your flathead screwdriver to actually push the clips up and push in the shroud. Do that for the other side. Again, use your flathead screwdriver and just push the clip up and just push the shroud in. As you can see, it's in. Then all you have to do is screw in your bolts. This is going to be done by feel. It's basically much better to get right underneath it and do it by feel, because you're not going to be able to see it anyways. Hopefully I'm getting the shot, but again, it's much better to just go underneath it and not even look at it. Just do this by feel, because trying to look at it and get the socket in position is very difficult, especially because it's only a short handle and you just have to feel your way in. Now I'm just going to clip the fog lights. Again, just bolt in the shroud. This is the driver's side. Just gonna bolt it in and tighten the nut. Then I'm just gonna plug in the clip for the fog lights. Let's see. Get this the correct way. There we go, and it's in. And that's basically it.